Hey everybody, happy Friday. I'm Stephanie Cameron.
And I'm Walt Cameron. Steph stole my lines.
And we are the publishers of Edible New Mexico magazine. And welcome to episode 20 of the 5 Minute Friday. And this week we're headed to the top of Sandia Crest to eat at 10-3. We're getting takeout from High Point Grill. And we're cooking up red chili pizza. But first, we're gonna do this.
And I'm Walt. And I'm Walt Cameron.
We are at 10-3 up here in Sandia Crest. You can take the tram up. We actually hiked. It's a 1.5 mile round trip hike. You can come up, you can get food. They're open for lunch and dinner. They're doing picnic style takeouts and you can get some of their regular menu. So we're gonna see what we got here. We got a smash burger. This one's mine. I got a brisket sandwich with house-made chips. And Walt got a steak wrap. Yeah, you got a steak wrap with them house-made chips. So let me taste my sandwich. Oh, it's a big sandwich, a messy sandwich. And all my hair is gonna get in it again. Really good. Up here in the fresh air, Sandia Crest. Yay!
How high are we, Steph?
10-3, 10,300 feet. That's why they named the restaurant 10-3.
We just ordered on Self Lane, which is Albuquerque's own little delivery food service, and we got High Point Grill. Oh, that looks like mine. Hot chicken. Steph got the Albuquerque banh, or is it New Mexico banh mi?
505.
505 banh mi.
Red chili crusted pork tenderloin.
This is interesting. Oh, that's a good idea. So he put the bun, check this out. So your bun doesn't get soggy. You got the bun separate. And now I can just put my chicken on there. This is my hot sauce. Put that hot sauce right on there. Look at that. Look at that. Hot chicken sandwich. High Point Grill, right here on the west side. Really good. Today, we're making pizza. We're gonna make a pizza. So we ordered a pizza kit from Skarsgard Farm. They give you mozzarella cheese, they give you the marinara sauce, and the pizza dough. Steph and I like to do things a little different. We also get the Skarsgard red chili sauce. This is actually Steph's recipe. She actually thought this up herself. She thought one day, why not use the chili sauce instead of marinara sauce?
30 years ago.
30 years ago.
I've been doing this pizza for 30 years.
Okay, so she's been doing this pizza for 30 years. So she's done a chili pizza. So the chili pizza is basically using this in addition to this, but sometimes you don't have to do that. Just depends on the heat level of this. We're gonna roll out some parchment paper. Lay down a little bit of flour. And we got our pizza dough right here. I'm just gonna split this right in half. And then I'm gonna roll this out. We're gonna spin it. I can't spin it. I'm not a spinner. I put it on this. This is our little pizza pan. And we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna take it and we're gonna... So what we're doing is we're prepping our dough right now. And then I'm gonna pinch the edges like this. This goes in the oven at 425 degrees for approximately 10 minutes. Our next step is we're gonna brown our beef. We have a pound of beef that we picked up at Dr. Feelgood's in Santa Fe. Using my tool. I love this thing. This is my beef grinder. Salt. And we do some pepper. So this is our beef. We've got it nice and browned right now. But about half of a jar of this. There we go. This is a New Mexico chili pizza. I'm gonna taste this to determine the spicy level. I think we're gonna use the marinara as a base for our pizza. That's pretty spicy. So we're just gonna turn this on low and then we're gonna let it simmer for about 5 minutes while we wait for our crust to finish. And there is our dough, our crust. We're gonna go ahead and put some marinara sauce. And I'm just gonna spread it out. There we go. It's a very rustic looking pizza. Just half of this goes onto the pizza. Spread that out. Chili beef. I love chili beef. We're gonna use our mozzarella cheese. Just like that. And then put some of our bigger chunks. Can never have too much cheese, right? Now it goes back into the oven at 425 for 10 more minutes. Look at that. Ooh. Oh yeah. Tomatoes. We're just gonna garnish it with a couple of tomatoes.
Why are they my tomatoes?
These are Steph's tomatoes because they came out of her garden. That's why they're her tomatoes. Chili beef and tomato pizza. Cool. That's really, really good. That's it for this week's episode. Be safe and be well.